Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to make a full city in Roblox Studio from scratch. We'll build roads, tunnels, shops, houses, a skate park, and even test drive cars. This tutorial is beginner friendly, so let's get started. First, let's create ground. In the toolbox, search for snow base plate. Select the first one, and scale it larger. Remember to pull the base plate higher. Next, let's create the main roads. Spawn and align them to form long streets. Use the move and scale tools to make clean, straight roads. Rotate road parts to create smooth corners. Next, build a tunnel. Add more parts to connect them together. Then place street lights along the roads to light up the city. Let's add a McDonald shop. You can use free models from the toolbox. Position the building near the road to make it look realistic. Inside the shop, add workers. Search for parking lot, and add it near McDonald shop. Now, add some sports cars and a parking area. Let play and drive a car to check the map. Trees make the city look alive. Place trees along sidewalks and empty spaces for a natural feel. Next, let's add more houses. Then place an Apple store to give the city a modern shopping area. You can add more stores and add food inside it. We'll add even more trees to balance the buildings and improve visuals. Now let's build a central park. Place trees around the city borders to define the map and improve performance. Add more houses along the roads to make neighborhoods feel realistic. Now let's add a truck and a bus for public transport and delivery vehicles. Let's test the city by driving around and checking the roads, turns, and tunnel. Now add a luxury house with a large design to make the city feel high-end. Cover spaces with trees. For the final test, drive different cars and run around the city to make sure everything works perfectly. And that's it. You've just created your own Roblox city. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe, and comment what I should build next.